Summer salads are delicious in their own right, but it's time to take them to the next level with homemade salad dressings. When made from scratch, dressings can be tailored to your salad, such as a basil vinaigrette drizzled on fresh tomato and mozzarella, or a creamy avocado dressing for a fajita salad. To start, remember the 3-to-1 ratio, 3 parts oil to 1 part vinegar. Experiment with oils like extra virgin, walnut, sesame, or even other sources of fat like pureed avocado or Greek yogurt. For vinegars, balsamic, champagne, or rice wine are flavorful, versatile options. Finally, get creative with add-ins like herbs, garlic, ginger, or a squeeze of citrus. Learn more about creating homemade salad dressings at bigY.com/digin. We'll see you next time!